Hey Walton Union, I'm Dr. Eric. Welcome to Triple Crown Chiropractic. Now as we go on this little tour, of course we always want to point out the fact that we'd like you to follow us on all social medias. But follow me this way. This area right here is our reception room. This is where we first greet you and let you know what's going on. The next thing we got is we have the bay where all the magic happens. So we have our roller tables here, and basically we also have our electric stim. We also have some other therapies that allow you to actually excel the most so that you can get the most out of your care here. But follow me this way. So we're gonna walk back through here. Now of course, this hallway, we're gonna go through here. You pass my office. We're not gonna show you that. That's just a bad place, unorganized place to be, you know? But come on in here. This is actually our x-ray room. And what we actually do is we do digital x-rays. Allows us to get clear, clean shots right away. And it also lets us see everything that's going on, not having to worry about retaking shots a lot of times. Come on out here. So this right here is adjusting bay 1. And this is where a lot of the magic happens. What goes on here is basically, we'll do a lot of adjusting work here, a lot of muscle work. We also have right in here, we've actually got our ArthroStim and our VibraCussor, two other things that help us to adjust you, that allow us to get the most change and allow us to do a little bit of muscle work as well. As we come through here, this right here is our second bay. The great thing about this one is this actually allows us, if we're having a low back issue, we can actually move the table up right here. And what that does is it allows us to break it down there, and that will help us to adjust your hips, get a better motion in there in case it's too hard to move, put you on your side. As we come through here, we're actually going to be seeing one of my favorite places, the massage room. And the massage room, actually, right in here, nice, tranquil. Of course, you know, you're going to hear my loud voice in the background anytime. But we come back this way, and as we walk down this hall, we're going to go to two other rooms that are pretty important. The first room is this room right here, which is our laser room. This right here is our laser machine. It actually allows us to use light therapy, and it's a dual wave, penetrates a lot deeper than most lasers. And the other thing is it allows us to actually help reduce inflammation, all while using nice heat, so it feels pretty good. We come on out here, we've actually got one of the more important rooms because they're important to you, our kids' room. Of course, you know, we have Netflix and always right here, some toys just to make sure that they're happy so you can be able to relax and enjoy your adjustment. That's pretty much it, but again, like I said before, follow us on social media. We appreciate all you do, and we look forward to seeing you soon.